Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel where I review the latest and greatest gadgets and gizmos. Today I have the OPPO A98 5G with me, a mid-range phone that offers some nice features and a beautiful design. Let's take a look at what this phone can offer. But before that guys, if you haven't subscribed yet, please don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell icon so you don't miss all my latest gadget reviews. Let's get it started. Alright, let's start with the design and the display of this phone. The OPPO A98 5G has a 6.72-inch Full HD Plus LCD display with a 120Hz refresh rate, which makes it smooth and responsive for watching videos and playing games. The screen is also bright enough to use outdoor, as it can reach up to 680 nits of peak brightness. The only downside is that it doesn't have HDR support, which means you won't get the best contrast and colors on this display. The back of the phone is where the magic happens. The OPPO A98 5G has a stunning design that changes colors depending on the angle and lighting. The unit I have here is the dreamy blue, which looks gorgeous with the shades of blue, orange, yellow, and white. The back cover is also resistant to fingerprint smudges, which is a plus. The phone feels comfortable to hold thanks to the 3D curved back cover and its lightweight of 192 grams. Moving on to the camera, the OPPO A98 5G has a triple camera rear setup consisting of a 64-megapixel main lens, a 2-megapixel depth sensor for portrait, and a 2-megapixel microscope camera. The main camera can take sharp and detailed photos in good lighting conditions. The microscope camera is the most interesting features of this phone, as it can zoom up to 40 times and reveal some hidden details that you normally can't see with your eyes. The front camera is a 32-megapixel selfie shooter that can take decent selfies with good skin tones and details. It also has AI beautification features that you can use to enhance your appearance. Under the hood, the OPPO A98 5G is powered by the Snapdragon 695 5G chipset, which is not the fastest processor in its segment, but it can handle most tasks and games without any issues. The phone also has 8GB of RAM and 256 of internal storage, which are generous for a mid-range device. There is also an 8GB extended RAM features that can boost the system memory by using some storage space. The battery life of the OPPO A98 5G is impressive, as it has a 5000 mAh battery that can last for more than a day with moderate usage. And if you need to charge it quickly, you can use the 67 watts SuperVOOC charger that comes in the box, which can fully charge the phone in just 44 minutes. The OPPO A98 5G runs on ColorOS version 13.1 based on Android 13, which is a smooth and user-friendly interface that offers some useful features and customization. The phone also supports NFC, speaker stereo, fingerprint sensor, and facial recognition. So, what do you think guys of this OPPO A98 5G? Well, I think it's a good phone for casual users who want a beautiful design, a smooth display, and a decent camera and a long battery life. It's not the best performer or the best display in its segment, but it's still a solid choice for its price range. That's all for today's review of the OPPO A98 5G. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this. Thanks for watching and see you next time. Peace out.